Guys, man, I'm so freaking excited right now. So, all right, revealed my theme, trick or treat, right? Sam, got my shirt on. Even bought a trick or treat mug today and the lollipop from Spirit, which I will upload soon. But I will definitely do this video first today. To make sure I get the big content out, which is the yard build. I feel like I've had no time to build, and it's just this heat. This heat is so hot. I went out yesterday and put some orange lights around one of my windows, and I feel like I almost died. So anyway, you guys know K&TDoHalloween, right? Surely you guys know their channel. Do prop rebuilds for Spirit Halloween props, reviews on higher end haunted house props. A super fun channel. They don't really post anything anymore, but it's definitely worth going back and checking out their channel and looking at their content. But we're friends, and he's like, hey, need any help this year? So yeah, I don't know. And he's like sending me all kinds of really cool information about the Trick or Treat movie, and offered to build the ghosts from the movie for me. So I am literally on my way to Kellen's house, and I'm going to pick up the ghosts from the movie right now. The lollipop today, and I have a mannequin head that I'm gonna sculpt the mouth on to stick the sucker in for the wife that gets the sucker jammed in her face because she blows out the pumpkin before midnight. Don't ever do that. Never do that. That's a no-no. Okay? Don't do it. So let's go get the ghosts. All right, come with me. Oh, guys. Oh man, his trees have really gotten. This tree right here was so much smaller. Wow, that thing really went cray-cray. Oh man, Jesus, these things are long. I hope they fit in my car. I see them in the driveway. Holy crap. All right, people, just left Kellen and Tom's K&TDoHalloween. Oh my goodness. I ended up just chatting with him for like a million years, checking out his new columns that he's making and a couple things. He's not really going to do a display this year, but here are all the ghost frames that he made. There are wig heads back there and sheets, so I will probably set one of these up here within the next few days and get these guys put out in the yard. I'm gonna need to pull out some lighting first, because I don't want to just put it out in the yard without any lighting. Man, I just can't tell you enough how super mega excited I am about these bad boys. So, all right guys, here are the 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. Well, let me get them out. I don't know how many there are. It's a lot. All right, guys, so Kellen made 6 total. So this is kind of what they're gonna look like. Don't really have the sheet on there exactly perfect yet. Just threw it up there. Wanted to see what this looked like with the mannequin head. The way he made this, it's cool. It's like this thing can rotate. The engineering, how he did these, is actually really cool. I'm gonna do a ground stake and zip tie this so this doesn't move. This is just so you can kind of stand it up. And then he did this bolt through here like that, a piece of PVC pipe on the back side for this wig head like that, and then just a big piece of PVC pipe for the arms, and it can swivel so I can tighten this up. And I can kind of have these at different angles so they're not all exactly the same. And then it's cool because they do like this to kind of fold up You can spin it out, but then if you want to do like that for storage, which is kind of cool. And so here's one with the sheet on it, like that right there. And then this one here with the wood, this will be for the wife that blows out the pumpkin. Mannequin head will be on here, sucker stuck in her mouth. She's gonna be on that one. So that's gonna be super cool. I can't wait to get this whole thing set up and see it at night with the lighting, which won't be today, maybe not even tomorrow, but I wanted to at least kind of get these out. I'll probably put these maybe in the backyard or in the garage for now. I really want to get the fencing out first before I get all these all put out, but I might leave this like it is for now. 1 bazillion degrees. Don't look directly at the sun, guys. And yeah, get your hunt on.